just do my usual black coffee. I like pure and simple black.
Ni ngavana ani Waiguru wa Kirinyaga agĩtĩa kahua gake karia augĩte endaga ge Kairusi mucemanio-ini uria cama wa kahua gaka ukurikanite.
It's Kirinyaga coffee. I think I will give up my previous one.
Kahua kuuma kaunti ya Kirinyaga gakurikanite ni cama wako na kuringana na ngavana Waiguru ni mahotete kugacirithia kahua gaka na umithio wao ukongerereka mugaro na gukendia na nja.
And we are also known for specialty coffee. Most of our coffee is very high specialty, not the usual. There are different types of coffee and they are graded differently. So most of our coffee is specialty, and we also have the normal ones, which is the normal local, but ours is premium, and that's why you see there is a high demand for it, not just locally but internationally.
Kuri uguo mari mubango-ini wa gutigirira kahua gaka ni gakinya matura-ini maingi na nigetha kwararamia thoko yao.
Bring Kirinyaga coffee to Nairobi and the big towns as well, so that we can create employment for our young people and also provide a market for the coffee from Kirinyaga. I think if we did what we've done here, just trying it at the conference has been amazing. We already have an offer from another sponsor to do a couple of days in their function, and we're hoping that we will continue to do that and market Kirinyaga coffee as well.
Kuri Waiguru no augite mari mubango-ini wa gutigirira ona giko kiria kiumanaga na mucere ni kiahuthirwo na njira njega nigetha gitigatuike gia kurira.
We also have support from the UK government to develop a factory for rice husks, to build building materials made of rice husks that is an alternative to wood products. We also have another investor interested in doing rice wine.
Ngirifuatira metha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Mwarari.